Ignite the ember of hope in our hearts into flames that will bring light where it is most needed. I could proudly say that this school year has been successful for our batch. Without the people present today, the grade 6 batch would not be in this auditorium celebrating this special achievement. To Sister Teresita P. Elevara FMM, all of the FMM sisters, and the members of the Administrative Council, thank you for your unwavering support for our transformation in Christ. I want to thank our teachers, the people who imparted to us the knowledge and skills to strive and excel. The members of the well-being team who kept us grounded and supported our holistic formation. To the non-teaching staff for being the silent but steadfast safeguards of our records and other learning tools and services. To the canteen and maintenance staff for providing healthy nourishment in school and for keeping SMC an efficient and conducive sanctuary for learning. To our security personnel for keeping us safe and well protected. Lastly, we want to express our overflowing gratitude to our family, especially our parents and guardians, the special people with only undeniable love and support for us all. Maraming salamat po aming mga magulang at tagapangalaga. To my fellow graduates, remember, this is only the beginning of our pilgrimage. Let us carry on in traversing the path of Christ together and be the active hope for the earth and for humanity. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jean Elise, for your